Hey guys, welcome back to Lucy's Las Vegas. Thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when I post a video. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, but we are getting a jump start here on the holiday season in Las Vegas. Tonight we're hanging out at Ethel M. Chocolate's Christmas Botanical Garden. The Ethel M. Chocolate Factory is located in Henderson, Nevada, and continues to produce gourmet premium chocolate for all of the Ethel M. and Ethel's brand chocolates. If you've ever had a piece of Ethel's chocolates, you've experienced a piece of heaven. Also located at this plant are the Ethel M. Botanical Cactus Gardens, which feature over 300 species of desert plants. A part of the factory is open to the public and visitors can take self-guided tours, but due to social distance guidelines, garden visits require a reservation. Guests are also allowed 1 hour in the garden. Walk-ins are accepted due to availability, and as you arrive, you check in at their tent for a temperature screening, wristband, and you can also purchase seasonal souvenirs. As you walk through the glittering arch, you'll notice on the ground there are glow-in-the-dark social distance signs. And if you notice, they're in the shape of ornaments. As we stroll through the gardens, you'll notice there are perfect places for those Instagram moments. And it is also the best place to take your photos for your Christmas cards. Another fact I should add is that masks are required unless you're eating, drinking, or taking photos. Sing along to your favorite Christmas carols as you stroll through the garden. The garden is gated off to ensure you keep one-way traffic as you walk through the gardens. If you're interested as to what's in the garden, they have information posted so you can read about the different types of plants. Here is the saguaro skeleton. All dressed up and ready for Christmas. Plants located in this area are native to Nevada and the Mojave Desert. For my Aunt Cheryl in California, here are some purple pancake cactus. Purple, her signature color. When the reindeers are on a break, llamas deliver the Christmas presents. Don't forget to check out the raving reindeers right near a beautiful Joshua tree. Some beautiful golden barrel cactus. What garden isn't complete without beautiful peacocks? Towards the end of the tour, we're getting closer to Santa. Here in their North Pole, don't forget to stop by the food truck for all your chocolate needs, where the hot chocolate is to die for. You won't find any reindeer games here. They also offer classic carnival games featuring games like the duck pond and a ring toss. Fun for the whole family. Hi, if I could have you introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Joel Garcia. I'm with Opportunity Village, and we're here at Ethel M, all benefiting to Opportunity Village's programs. And we have a photo op here, and as well 2 Midway games. All proceeds go to Opportunity Village, especially that the Magical Forest is not open this year.
And how do you personally feel with everything in the current situations?
Currently, it's tough, but we are holding in there. It's just, we're doing our best, trying to get everybody smiling and laughing, of course, having fun too.
Is there anything else you want to share? Give a shout out?
Absolutely. To my CEO right there at Bob Brown at Opportunity Village, thank you for giving us the chances and opportunities to expand ourselves and do our best with what we can, with what we have.
Thank you so much, and happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Thank you. Happy holidays.
This is the photo opportunity for when Santa comes to town. He'll be seated in his big comfy chair behind a plexiglass window. Santa will have his mask on, and it is your decision if you want to take off yours. You stand in front of the window and peek inside of his house instead of the traditional Santa's lap. And like I said, Santa is only here on the weekends and closer to Christmas. So be sure to make your reservations early. And get those lists ready because he knows if you've been naughty or nice. Getting one last look of the Christmas light display here at Ethel M. Chocolate Factory. As you enter the factory, you get a sample of chocolate.
Milk or dark?
Dark, please. As you walk through the factory, you can see how the chocolate gets made. Don't forget to take a sweet selfie at their chocolate wall. And the best part of it is you can take all this chocolate home to share with your friends and family over the holiday season. Perfect for everybody on your list. Bring home a Vegas original. Holiday calories don't count, right? For all your out-of-town chocolate lovers, here is a taste of Vegas since 1981. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed a tour of Ethel M. Chocolate Factory, Botanical, and Cactus Garden. It is truly beautiful and definitely a sight not to be missed this holiday season. Thanks for subscribing and don't forget the notification button so you know when I post a video. Thank you and happy holidays.